Check out this DEWALT power drill. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this power drill helped us out so much. We started to hang some posters and photos on our wall. And it comes with so many different drills that you can use with this power drill as well. You can use Phillips head or flathead. It's a great option to have, and this is battery powered, so we do have an extra battery in here too, and this is the charger itself. So if we pick up the drill, we can see that it is pretty heavy if you hold it, but it's not, unmanageable. It's something that you can hold and use wherever you're going to be drilling something. So if we hit this button, this will actually start the drill up slightly. And then if we go even further, it'll spin even faster. So if you wanted to, we could actually change this up and replace the battery, or just have it out and about. If we need to drill something into a wall, we can start to use this, and it'll work so perfectly. It's a fantastic drill. I highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.